Looking to buy gas? Make sure you have all the facts. Are you going to get the reliability, quality and value that you need? You can rely on BOC. We've been established for well over a century. We give you access to our broad range of products and extensive range of services. With a large network of gas and gear stores, you are never far away from BOC. Renting means zero investment for your business because there's no cylinder purchasing or deposit costs, and there's no need for you to hold extra cylinders during maintenance or testing, freeing up your time and resources to get on with your job. When considering a gas supplier, check the cylinder size and pressure bar that you'll be getting. Often, suppliers will distribute cylinders of a lower pressure than those that you'll get from BOC. Renting is definitely a better bet if you have high gas consumption. It's cheaper, and cylinders can easily be returned, rather than incurring costs to get rid of a disposable option. It can also be cheaper for low gas consumers to rent. Just return your cylinder to us and your account is credited for the months it's unused. And what about flexibility? With BOC, you can either pick up your gas, click and collect from many of our gas and gears, or have it delivered fast, saving you extra time. We can offer you a variety of cylinders from small to large, or even lightweight cylinder packages such as Genie, if portability matters to you. Rather than just a standard-sized cylinder, we have options for your gas requirements, giving you the best result every time. Also, if you get an unusual request from a customer that requires a large amount of gas, you can take a one-off cylinder for a month and return it. Job done safely at minimal cost. Who can you trust with your safety? To us, safety is paramount. So we make sure all cylinders and valves are fully tested for you. Renting from us means cylinder maintenance is taken care of. You can trust the quality of the gas, and you have no worries over how safely it's been filled, stored or maintained. When you choose BOC, you are choosing the highest safety standards. Who has the network to keep you covered wherever you are? The complete gas rental service that strives to keep your business flowing. That would be BOC. For more details or to sign up for an account, visit our website now.